Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. So in today's video, you guys are going to be decorating and styling my front porch for fall. So I have pretty much neglected my front porch pretty much all summer. The last video I think I shared with you guys of me decorating my porch was probably early spring, maybe back in March, I think. So I have been neglecting it, so it does need to clean it, and I do want to change out some of my key pieces on my front porch. I usually don't decorate for Halloween or anything like that, but I do like to make my front porch very festive and all that for Halloween. So at least when the trick-or-treaters come in, it'll have like a nice fall vibe. This video is sponsored by Temu. So Temu is an online retailer that sells all kinds of home decor. They pretty much sell everything anything at an affordable price. So yeah, they have all kinds of stuff. So I picked out several home decor pieces that I can use to incorporate inside of my home that not only are aesthetically pleasing, but they are very functional as well. So that's what I'm gonna be sharing with you in the beginning of this video. I'm gonna share with you some of the pieces that I picked out from their website, and then also I'm gonna style those pieces so you can kind of get an idea of how you can decorate with those pieces in your own home. So don't forget to check my description box down below for a special discount code so you can save a percentage off of your order. And everything that I share in this video, I'll try to have it linked down in the description box as well. So thank you to Temu for sponsoring today's video.
One of the first things I picked up from Temu was this cute little wooden decorative tray. These are really good for housing a variety of different things, but I'm going to use it in my kitchen because I'm always looking for trays to hold my olive oil and my avocado oil, as well as my little salt dispenser. These are perfect for that. It just fits the nice aesthetics and the size of it. So these were like $3.99, I believe, for this little wooden tray. And they come in different sizes and shapes and lengths, so these are perfect for holding your essentials in your kitchen or even in your bathroom. I also picked up this black wooden tray as well. I believe this one was the same price of $3.99, but it's just a small, slender tray. I got this to go on the side of my kitchen sink because I'm always looking for wooden trays to hold my soap dispenser, my dish soap, as well as my little scrub brush. So I think this is the perfect size to fit next to your kitchen sink. Temu also has so many faux florals on their website at an affordable price. I believe all these little bunches of faux florals were like $5.49 a bunch. I picked them up in several colors. As you can see here, there's a really pretty lavender color. I thought these was a really good price because at your local craft stores, florals can be very pricey. So at $5.49 a bunch, I thought it was a steal. So I picked up this really pretty pink and ivory. I also picked up this really pretty burnt orange and kind of rust color for fall, which I have displayed in my kitchen. Just super cute. And I love how realistic everything is. They also had several vases on their website as well. One of the vases that I absolutely love was this cute little glass vase here with the gold rim. I got this mainly because if I want to put like little fresh flowers around the house, this would be perfect for that. Very inexpensive, but you can also use it to display your faux florals as well. Temu also has these faux florals in a pretty ivory color as well. I took some ivory ones and I actually stuffed them inside of my arrangement that I had on my coffee table. They also have like really cute little trinkets. I'm always looking for trinkets to hold candies or matches, things like that for my coffee table. So this little glass one definitely does not disappoint. It definitely looks high end. I absolutely love this little tray. So I'll have all of their information linked down in the description box below for each and every item. So super cute, and you can use this for a large selection of different things around your home. I also picked up some more of those faux florals in this beautiful kind of purple color. I've been decorating my house this fall season with this beautiful pops of purple all over, and I absolutely love these stems here from Temu. They have a lot of ceramic vases as well. So this is one of the vases that I picked up from Temu's website. It just has a nice, clean, high-end look. And these are perfect for, like I said, holding your fresh florals when you have like little small arrangements that you would like to display throughout your home. And as you can see here, I have mine decorated with some fresh flowers that I got from my local grocery store. They also have several of these kind of wicker baskets, which are super cute. These are definitely looks more high end. These little baskets give a nice aesthetic to your kitchen, nice neutral vibe, but they also can function pretty well as well. Also picked up a white kind of tray as well from Temu. This one is made of plastic. It's not as the best quality, but I do think that it's really perfect for holding your fruits and things like that for your kitchen. So thank you to Temu for sponsoring today's video. I have each and every product listed in this video down in the description box below if you guys are interested. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is clean off my porch. So it's been a while since I actually took the time to clean off my porch, and I know I have a lot of those little dirt daubers or whatever you would call it that kind of adhere to parts of your door in your house. I'm just taking this broom and I'm just going to actually kind of dust all the dust off and remove all those little dirt balls and everything off of my door and off of my house. I'm going to actually sweep the porch off first, and then I'm going to take the blower and actually try to blow it as well. Usually I would take my microfiber cloth and some spray weight and clean off my door, or some multi-purpose spray, but today I'm just going to use my water hose and just really wet everything down and rinse the whole door and the porch off, because it's been a while since I actually had the chance to come out here and actually clean my porch. So I'm just going to take my water hose and just make sure I clean everything down, as well as my porch light and all of that, and then I'll go ahead and dry it and start adding in my decor. Now that my porch is all clean, I'm going to be adding in my planters. So to give my design some height, I'm going to be adding in these green planters. I got these from Home Goods. I'm going to be using these because I bought some really pretty asparagus ferns from my local Home Depot that I'm going to go ahead and add into these containers, just to kind of give my design a little bit more texture, and just to have something in here to be displayed on my porch when the mums and everything all die. I actually have something nice that can last me all throughout the winter and all the way up until next spring as well. Now these little planters I got from Balsam Hill last year. I had these on my porch already with some faux boxwood. I got them kind of displayed here just to kind of see how it'll look with the green, but I actually am going to not use those. I'm just going to remove those off, and then I'm just going to add in some planters with my mums. Now, like I said in the beginning of the video, you can use some faux flowers or faux plants and shrubs when you're decorating your porch for fall. I always elect to use real plants instead of faux plants. I just love decorating with real plants. So I'm going to add in some, like I said, some asparagus ferns. They are actually shrubs, and they are perennial down here, so they last throughout, they come back every year. So I don't have to worry about these dying out, and actually come next spring, I can actually plant them in the landscape as well. So I'm just filling these planters up with some potting soil, and then I'm going to get those ferns planted into the containers. Garden is zone 9B, so these planting things like asparagus ferns, these are so pretty and so versatile. These are just gorgeous. It just gives me that really nice full look, and then these shrubs last all throughout the year, and they're pretty cold hardy as well. So I'm going to be using this just to give me a nice natural look to my front porch as well. But these ferns, like I said, they do really well down here in the Texas heat. And then they also, like I said, they perennial, so they come back every year. So when my mums and everything all die, I still have something really nice to look at on the porch. My local Home Depot had their mums out, and I think the colors that I had available was like the orange, white, and then they had some really pretty purple. So I decided to add in some larger ones of the orange just to give it a little bit more fall vibe. Plus it matches my wreath that I'm going to put on my front door. So I purchased 2 of these. They actually already came in the planters that it comes in right now. So I love that because I don't have to plant them up or repot them or anything like that. I just, when they're all done blooming, I could just go ahead and just toss them in the trash and maybe add in something else in front to get me through the winter. So I'm just going to get everything all watered in. So I did purchase 2 of these orange ones, and then I did purchase 2 small purple ones as well. And the purple ones I did end up plant into some cute little terracotta pots. Now that I have all of my plants, or most of my plants, already potted up, I'm going to add in this mat. I always like to layer in a mat first on my front porch before I add in my welcome mat. It just kind of elevates the look a little bit more and makes it look a little bit more high end. So this mat, I think I got this from Kirkland's, I believe, a couple of years ago. It's just a nice fall color scheme it has on there. It has a nice orange and white. And then I'm going to take it and layer in my welcome sign. This is actually just a sign. It's just a mat that just says welcome on it. So that way, even after Halloween and fall, it still can kind of guide me through or get me through to the winter season as well. And then since I decorated with pops of purple inside of my home, I definitely wanted to add in some pops of purple on my porch with my mums, just to continue with the pop of color that I have going on in the house. Then I also planted this little ivy. I don't know, I was going to add this into a container with the mums, but I thought it would be too much. So I decided just to add it into this container that I already had on my porch. And then this wreath I absolutely love. I bought this last year from Etsy. I just love the coffee and the ivory and then the touches of black that I have in this wreath. And then it still has in all of my color schemes that I got going on with my porch as well. Several fall signs in my garage that I had from previous years. I'm gonna add this one. It just simply says hello fall, and I'm quite sure I got this sign from Hobby Lobby because that's usually where I get all of my fall decor and everything from. And I'm just gonna add it to my porch just to kind of give it a more festive vibe. I'm actually gonna place it to the left side over there. I think it looks a little bit more better on that side. But I'm just trying to create a nice kind of fall display to kind of give the porch some warmth. I actually purchased these are a new purchase actually, these hurricanes that I got here, or these lanterns, not hurricanes. I got these from Home Goods recently. These are really cute because they're metal, and I'm just gonna fill these up with some battery operated candles. I did try to find some little mini pumpkins to fill them up with to kind of continue with my design, but my local grocery stores did not have any mini pumpkins available yet, so I decided just to add in the battery operated candles instead. So this is how the design is looking so far. I absolutely love how everything has turned out. I still need to add in my pumpkins. So like I said, I am going to be decorating with real pumpkins. So in the next clip, you will see me add in some different pumpkins. So I added some heirloom pumpkins. I added some different ones, like mainly in the shade of green and orange and green, and just to have that fall colors onto the porch. I think I ended up purchasing like 4 pumpkins. Yeah, no, 6 pumpkins. I purchased 2 of the larger green ones, and then 2 of the medium green and orange, and then 2 of the small baby white pumpkins. And I absolutely love how everything has turned out.
So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you again to Temu for sponsoring today's video. I'll have their link down in the description box below, as well as the discount code, so you can save a percentage off your order. Thank y'all again for watching my fall decorating video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.